Welcome to our YouTube channel. In a step-by-step guide today, we will be talking about creating a Buy X Get Y discount code. Buy X Get Y promotions are one of the many popular ways to incentivize new customers to buy your products and to reward loyal customers. You can use them to increase your sales and profits and also to sell your slow-moving inventory. Let us go ahead and begin creating a Buy X Get Y discount code. Log in to your Shopify admin area. Enter your store credentials. Once you're done, you'll be redirected to your Shopify admin area. From your Shopify admin, click on Discounts from the left side menu bar. Click on the Create Discount button. From the pop-up, select Discount Code. In the Discount Code section, enter a name for the new discount code. For example, Buy One Get One Free. Remember, do not use special characters like $ or asterisk. Shopify doesn't allow to use special characters in the discount code. Once you're done, in the Type section, select Buy X Get Y. In the Customer Buy section, select any of the following options: minimum quantity of items or minimum purchase amount. If you go for the minimum quantity of items, then you have to set the minimum quantity that you want your customers to buy in order to be eligible for the discount code. For example, I'm going to go ahead and enter 2 in the quantity. And from in the Any Item section, you can either select specific products or specific collections. I'll go with specific collections, and from the search field below, I'll enter the name of the collections which I want to add. So I'll add tops and t-shirts. Click on the checkbox and then the Add button. If I want to go with products, then I'll select that option from the drop-down. From the search field, I'll enter the name of the product. Click the checkbox and then click on the Add button. So this was about the products and collection. Now, if you want to go with the minimum purchase amount, then select that option and in the amount box below, set the number of amount which you want your customers to spend to be eligible for this discount code. For example, I'll go ahead and enter $20. And from the Any Items From section, I'll open the drop down and select either products or collections. If I go ahead with either of the options, then again from the search field below, I'll add a collection or a product which I want should be applicable for the discount. Moving ahead to the Customer Gets section, we'll configure the following settings in front of us. You'll go ahead and set the quantity of items that the customers must add to their cart to get the discount. So for example, I'll go ahead and enter 3 in the quantity section. Now in the Any Items From section, choose whether you want to include products or collections as the discounted items. If the product or collection is the same as the one which we had set in the Customers Buy section, then the lower priced item that the customer chooses between the two is the item that the customer gets at a discount. We'll go ahead and use the search field below or the Browse button to add products or collections. I'll go ahead use the search field below. I'll select my product, click on the checkbox and then the Add button. So this product gets added in the Customer Gets section. If you want to remove any product, then simply just click on the X button and your product gets removed. Moving ahead, in the Add a Discounted Value section, choose the discounted value that the customers receive when they buy the set number of items. If you want to offer a percentage discount, then select percentage and enter a rate. If you want to offer items for free, then select free. I'll go with the free option as of now. Check the checkbox which says set the maximum number of users per order and then enter the maximum number of times that this promotion can be applied to an order. So I'll click on the checkbox and enter an amount in the field 20. Moving ahead in the customer eligibility section, select who this discount applies to: everyone, specific groups of customers, or specific customers. If you want to go ahead with specific groups of customers, then select that option and use the search field below or the browse button to select the groups of customers that you want should be applicable for the discount code. If you want to go ahead and select specific customers, then select the option specific customers. Use the search field below or the browse button to look for customers that you want should be applicable for the discount code. Let us say, for example, I want to go ahead and enter a name of my customer. So I'll enter Saurabh and click on the checkbox in front of his name and then click on the add button. So Saurabh now gets eligible for this discount code. If you want to remove any customers from the list, then click on the X button and that customer gets removed. Now in this case, we will go with the everyone option. Moving ahead, if you want to limit discount usage, then select either of the options from the usage limit section. Limit number of times this discount can be used in total. This option lets you set a total number of times a discount can be used. For example, I'll select this option and in the field below I'll enter 200. So setting a limit of 200 allows the discount code to be used 200 times across your customer base. If you choose this setting, then customers can use the discount multiple times. Now, if you want to go with limit to 1 per customer, this option tracks a customer's email address or phone number to limit discount to 1 use per customer. But this is only applicable to fixed value discounts. So we'll leave limit number of times this discount can be used option selected. Moving ahead in the active dates section, configure the following settings in front of you. Use the calendar to set the start date for the discount. If you want to set an end date for the discount, then click Set End Date and use the calendar to choose when the discount will end. If you do not choose an end date for your discount, then it does not expire. If you want the discount to be valid for only 1 day, then select the same calendar day for both the start and the end date. Whenever you create a discount code, you get a summary at the right side of your screen, and in that summary, you get the conditions that you apply to your discount code. You can always go ahead and check that summary before you save your discount code and see if you want to make any changes. For example, in this summary, it says the name of the discount code, which is buy one get one free, and the conditions are available on online sales channel, spend $20, get 3 items free, and 20 users per order. So this was one of the conditions I applied to my discount code. For everyone, limit of 200 users, and is active from today until June 15th. So these are the conditions we just applied to our buy one get one free discount code. Once you check the summary, click on the Save Discount Code button.